Ever wondered what's the latest buzz in smartphone technology or felt the need for an upgrade? We've got you covered. Today we're going to explore the ins and outs of a powerhouse device, the ASUS Zenfone 9 Pro. So buckle up and let's dive right in. First impressions matter, and ASUS certainly knows it. The Zenfone 9 Pro is a testament to that. With its sleek glass body and glossy finish, it doesn't take long to realize that this phone is a premium product. It's sturdy, feels high-end, and from the moment you pick it up, you can tell that ASUS has invested a lot in its design. But a phone isn't just about looks, it's also about the experience. That's where the vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED panel comes into play. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, the display is nothing short of stunning. It offers sharp visuals that bring your content to life, and color reproduction that's so excellent, it feels like you're looking at the real thing. In terms of design and display, ASUS has left no stone unturned. The Zenfone 9 Pro is a perfect blend of form and function, and it's ready to impress. A smartphone is as good as its performance. So how does the Zenfone 9 Pro fare? Diving right into it, the Zenfone 9 Pro is a powerhouse. It is driven by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, one of the most powerful processors in the market today. This, coupled with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, guarantees a seamless experience no matter what you throw at it. From multitasking with multiple apps open to indulging in the most graphics-intensive games, this smartphone doesn't break a sweat. The Zenfone 9 Pro is designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease, ensuring that your phone experience is smooth sailing all day long. And it's not just about power. With an intelligent cooling system, the Zenfone 9 Pro ensures that the device stays cool, even during intense usage, extending the lifespan of the device and providing a comfortable user experience. In conclusion, the Zenfone 9 Pro doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. Its performance is a testament to ASUS's commitment to delivering top-tier smartphones that can handle the demands of today's digital lifestyle. A good smartphone isn't just about looks and performance. Let's see what else the Zenfone 9 Pro has to offer. Now let's talk about the camera. The Zenfone 9 Pro features a triple camera setup. The main sensor is a whopping 64 megapixels, capturing images that are sharp and detailed even in varying lighting conditions. And for those who love to play around, there are several shooting modes, including night mode and portrait mode, to give your photos a professional edge. Next, the battery. It packs a generous 5,000 mAh capacity. This means it can easily last you a day on moderate usage. Plus, it supports fast charging, a feature we all appreciate. And it doesn't stop there. Other features include stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience, an under-display fingerprint sensor for quick access, and it runs on the user-friendly Android 11 right out of the box. The Zenfone 9 Pro is more than just a smartphone, it's a complete package. So, is the ASUS Zenfone 9 Pro worth the hype? Absolutely. This flagship phone is a powerhouse of features and functionality. The sleek design and vibrant display make it a joy to use, while the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset and up to 12 gigabytes of RAM ensure it performs smoothly even when pushed to its limits. The camera setup, led by a 64 megapixel main sensor, is capable of capturing stunning photos in a multitude of conditions. And let's not overlook the long-lasting battery or the wealth of additional features like stereo speakers and an under-display fingerprint sensor. If you're searching for a new flagship, this one should be a top contender. With the Zenfone 9 Pro, ASUS has truly raised the bar.